the tortoise. Why do they moan when they are mating? The moaning is mainly seen or heard in male tortoises, who may make grunting or groaning sounds as part of their mating behavior. These vocals are believed to be a way for males to attract females and establish dominance over other males. Other people might want to know, is it normal for tortoise to make noise? That's part of nature. That's how they were built. Don't think maybe it's sick or it's hurting or something like this or like that. So like this one, it's calling the other one to go inside privately and do whatever they are doing there. And this one is saying, okay, wait a minute. That's how I see it. Saying, okay, I like it, or I like to meet you in private. I'm coming.
There's another one.
And then the other one coming. Instead of being patient inside, is going out. But he's saying, okay, you're coming, all right, I'm following you. So now they are nicely walking in like couples.
Yeah, they are going back.
The other one saying, not today, I'm sorry,
They say it's too hot.
I changed my mind. That's how I see it. You can interpret it in your own way, but that is the tortoise world. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please just click that subscribe button. If you have subscribed, just click the like, share this video, and thank you very much for your time. Please take care.